Hey everyone! Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to find your friends' phone numbers on social media. Staying connected is more important than ever, so let's dive in. First, let's talk about privacy settings. Each platform has its own rules that control who can see your friends' information, including their phone numbers. Now, we'll demonstrate how to use search functions on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to locate your friends quickly. Next, we'll explore friend profiles to see if they've shared any publicly available contact information. Engaging with mutual friends can be a great way to gather phone numbers. Don't hesitate to ask around. Joining groups or events can lead to meaningful interactions where phone numbers might naturally be shared. When you have someone's attention, don't be shy. Politely ask them for their phone number via direct message. Check multiple platforms for consistency in phone numbers. This can help confirm the info you gather. Always remember to respect your friends' privacy. Only obtain their contact information ethically. To wrap up, stay connected with your friends responsibly by following these steps. Happy reconnecting!